Just want to say a big thank you to Charlie. What's this? Hey? Why have you killed the bird, Charlie? Hey, what the fuck has that bird done to you? Hey? Hey, Charlie, what has that bird done to you? I don't want it, it's no good to me. Anyway, thank you. I appreciate it. You know what I mean? I do appreciate it. You actually gonna eat it or just play with it? What are you doing with it? Isn't it nice that? Come on. Why are you eating the bird? You can't be that fucking hungry. Come on, let go of it. Come on. Come on, let go. You can't do that. Rip its guts out, Jack. Drop it. Drop. Drop the bird. Come on. Please drop the bird, Charlie. Come on. Drop the bird. Drop the bird. Come on. Drop it. Anyway, that's Charlie. Come on. Leave the bird alone. This is Charlie. Come on, Charlie. Oi. Mate, he's got his fucking... You're not taking it in my fucking plat. Fuck that. Fuck that shit. The fucking head's hanging off it, mate. Come on. Bring it. You ain't letting go of that, are you? Come on. Come on. Fucking. Absolutely.